Hey guys, so this here is where I keep my makeup right now. Like, this is kind of my situation. I did declutter before I moved. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about it, but I did declutter. It's kind of still growing even though I declutter, just because I get a lot of makeup sent in, and it's kind of to the point where I'm gonna need to buy 2 of these, and I really don't want to do so. I have new makeup I haven't opened in my other room right now, so I'm running out of room. Long story short, I want to go ahead and declutter, see what I can declutter from here, and then move the new makeup into here, but I'm not too sure what I want to do about that just yet. I really don't want to go and buy another drawer for makeup, because then I feel like I'm gonna just get set back. So this is where it is. I do keep it in my closet just so that it's easy to access. So let's just get started. Okay, so first of which, we're gonna go ahead and just start by opening each drawer, and this is my first drawer. There's really no rhyme or reason to this drawer at all, but I have a mirror in here as well as the elf sheets. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and just go through here and see what it is that I can get rid of. So I'm just going to show you really quick what I have in my makeup bag. I normally don't carry a lot of things, but since it's spring break, I kind of wanted to go ahead and carry more things. You guys know I'm more of like a natural kind of person, and I do prefer natural makeup, so you will see that in here. But since I do get things sent to me, I always want to try new things out. Like this here is a Ciate blush that I've been using, but I might want to swap out. Morphe doesn't tend to do me any wrong. I know they have a bunch of drama around them, but iconic lip gloss, an eyebrow pencil. I have my favorite concealer, which is from Pacifica. I also really like the Mineral Fusion concealers in the pots. I have the All Natural setting powder, which is my favorite. It's a little bit expensive, but it's so worth it. This is my perfume, vanilla. The MAC Soft Ochre primer, which isn't my favorite primer, but I mean, it's something. I just like to use it. Since I have it, I want to use it up. Deep Dark Brunette, I use that as an eyeliner. I do have a couple of tools in here. Mineral Fusion lipstick. The Cargo lipstick that I told you that I also had another one that I thought was in my makeup bag. Agave lip balm. My favorite lip liner that I told you from Sally's. The Morphe eyebrow gel, which is the only eyebrow gel that does not break me out. I do have this one from NYX. It is a tinted one. I did try it out today. I just opened it from my backup drawer, but we'll see how it works. My Superhero from It's Cosmetics mascara. Like I said, I do buy the minis because I have sensitive eyes. The MAC Prep and Prime favorite lip primer, and then I also have Derriere from MAC. And I went ahead and I am legit like basically almost out of this, so I just want to use this up so I can go ahead and say that I did. Another thing that I have a lot of are makeup brushes, but that is going to be for a completely other day. If you guys know the size of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus box, the pink ones, I have 2 of those full of makeup brushes that I definitely need to go through, but I need to clean them first before I do that. Before I even think about giving away any makeup brushes, I don't want to give away any dirty makeup brushes. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this section. I will go ahead and film the makeup brush one later, and let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna get rid of really quick. This here is basically what I chose to go ahead and get rid of. The only thing I'm not going to get rid of, or pass along I should say, is the eyelash curler. I'm going to just toss that in the trash. But let me know what you guys think about these declutters. Would you like for me to go ahead and give them away to you guys? I can do a giveaway. If not, I don't mind just giving these to my friends or my mom or something. But I don't know, I'm just asking because they have so much makeup, and you guys know that I like doing giveaways. So that is it for this declutter. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.